go. There you go. There you go. Get it on. Get it on. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that thing into the turn. It's rolling, swinging it around like a boss. Like a boss, baby. Whoa! Oh man! Get it out, get it out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, baby, go, 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 go. You got it, you got it. Biggest air so far with a 44.585. Good run. 44.585. They're fixing the race.
They going to get us one thing, no we do. Yeah. I'm going to try to be able to get a couple passes till it gets here. You understand what I'm
saying? So while they're getting the track, though, we're going to run a few more trucks. Because the track goes like an other end of the property. I think it's sprouting a few weeds on the front end. Yeah. Alright.
Flat tire. No, the rim's RJ the loader. Hey, just do it right here and pull it. In it. Yeah. It's like that. There you go. Set it down. The loader pull. Pull him on back. Hey, just go ahead and disconnect. The loader